afternoon, everyone. The sunset is sitting down. The sunset is sitting down. The sunset over the window. I'm gonna close it first. So, guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another vlog for today. For tonight, the time here is 7:24. Tonight, I'm waiting for my mom. We're gonna be chatting, and then I'm editing a video. And for tomorrow, I'm going to these two needs bath. They look so gross, and they're missing a bed. I'm gonna bath them and also cut their nails because their nails are so long na. And so ayan guys, ito pala yung update sa nail ko na ayan may na damage kaagad guys. But it's okay. I love to color my nails with just a regular nail polish, so that's okay. Tomorrow's vlog will be the continuation for this video or vlog pala. So yes guys, obviously too that my hair is yellow. So my cousin pala guys is a very expert one. She's a professional. She told me about it that my the color will come, the color yellow or brassiness or whatever will come back. So that she said the maintenance for this is a purple shampoo, and maybe there's also a conditioner for this, I think. So ayun, this look is okay naman for the moment, so that's fine and I'm okay with it kasi at least na iba na yung kulay ko for a change ba. May iba naman yung itsura, pero wala namang naiba sa itsura ko guys, ganun pa rin. Wala namang kagandahan nangyari, basta. So guys, ayun. I-share ko lang pala yung anong ginawa ko kasi yung vlog natin late na, di ba? So, this morning, I slept kasi maga kami gumising, and then we went back to sleep 5-ish na, so I woke up again mga 10 a.m. and then I am only watching Netflix Grey's Anatomy while I'm doing my cross stitch. So my cross stitch is guys, the one I am telling you that I am doing a naked lady or nude lady on the behind, because by the way my Christmas banner is done already, yung snow friends sa it's already done, and now I'm doing my new project, and that's going to be on that wall. It's gonna be placed over there. Sabi ng asawa ko ayaw niya, pero sabi ko dyan pala siya. Parang ayaw niya makita yung kasexiness ng kasi naked nude, so nakakita yung puwet niya and the sexy back of that lady. I will show you guys tomorrow kasi i-continue ko naman yung vlog na to sa bukas. So ayan pa, ubos na rin yung boses ko kasi of course ayan, haggard face kasi it's been a day na manonood lang ako ng Grey's Anatomy again. chatting with my mom, and then that's it. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Good night. Let's see some exploring there. So yan, guys. So hi, guys. As I said, today will be the continuation from last night vlog. So I am here sa living area, and the time here is 11:20, mag 11:30 na pala, and I woke up 3:30 this morning, and I woke up 3:30, and then I finally went to sleep last night mga 1 a.m. na. So that was 2 hours lang, and then we tried to sleep mga 5 a.m. but then I only slept until 8:30, so 3 hours. So 5 hours lang yung sleep ko, guys. I only have 5 hours of sleep, and that's why my eye bags ako. And I tried to sleep also in the couch upstairs. I can't, and so I decided na lang to be down here. Actually, I ate noodles soup na, and then gonna be watching Grey's Anatomy, and also I'll show you guys yung next project ko is this. Ayan siya, yung black yung eye cloth natin. This is my first time to use black eye cloth. Wala akong masyadong tulog, pero gusto kong mag-cross stitch. Bahala na. I wanted to do something man good. So, ayan, guys. Yung weather today is siya, cloudy, and also windy. So yes, guys, pasensya na kasi wala pa rin akong ligo. Kinuha ko yung yan. So yung mga na-highlight ko, yun na yung natapos ko. I'm done with the highlighted part. And you see the pink, kasi na-mistake ko siyang highlight. It means hindi pa siya na cross stitch. Meron akong tatlo. Actually, I have orange too, but we'll see kasi I'm not sure. Maybe the ink of one of this will be emptied, and then it's actually big. Ang dami kong yan. So for this paper, I have there's 16 pages. 16 pages too. It's quite big. Isi-set up ko lang yung phone ko. Palubat na rin tong phone ko. 30% na lang yata to. Guys, ano siya, na-off yung phone ko kasi nalubat while I was, cross-stitching. But I am done for today. So, I'm gonna show you what I have finished so far. Ayan. So, yeah. That's still like a long way to go. I'm already cooking for dinner. So, the time here is 5 p.m. and kanina pa ako nagluluto. So, we have here steamed veggies, the pork chop, and the rice. So, ayan. 5:30ish na. So, what's my plan for tonight? Ibabat ko yung dalawang aso. And I'm gonna cut their nails. Yun ang gagawin ko. So, tara. Hindi pa nila alam kasi pag alam nila, nagtatago yun. Asan ba yun? Ayan sila. Otis. Magbabat na naman kami. I think I have to clean it first. Kawawa si Mr. Guys kasi pag umuwi, galing trabaho, ayan, madaming itim. Kasi magbabat siya kasi pagod siya. And then, English. Grease ba yun? Grease ng makina ba? I have towel. There's 3 towels here. I use a lot of towels for them. And my hair blower to dry them. So let's get ready to rumble. Ayan siya, dyan. Here's Elsa. Let's get their color. Color no. And for Otis, color. There you go. Okay, come on. Come on, buddy. It doesn't like to. Hey, say hi to the camera. Oh. Today we're going to have a bath. Hey. Okay. Alright guys, let's start. Tapos na guys. Tapos na ang dalawa. You're done? You cold? Huh? Your ear is very wet. Your very long hair in your ear. What do you call that? Long ear? Oh, long ear. Long ear ba yan, buddy? How about your feet? I do Otis first because he's more bigger and a lot of hair, and when he's going to shake shake. Yay! This is done too? You cold? Huh? You cold? You cold? Alright, let's rub your ear. Oh, okay. She's shaking. Oh, shake. Yeah, let's go dry. Huh? You want to go dry now? Okay, that's it. Okay, come here. Oh yes, oh yes. Okay, shake. Oh, sorry, bud. Diyan muna to. So, lilipat kami dun sa my laundry. Kaya ko sila ida-dry. So, I'll do this first. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Ang body utis naman na utis. You guys are cute. Do you agree you're cute? Huh? You wanna try? Ang matagal i-dry nito, no? Yung ano nila, yung hair nila sa ear. Their fluffy hair. Fluffy. Look! Hi everyone! We are drying. So I'll be back guys ha, kasi para hindi malubat yung ko, hindi pa kasi to fully charge. So I'll be back pag tapos na sila. Nag-asa na sila mga kuko. Spirit long na. Ayan. Tapos na sila mag-dry. Treats para sa kanila. Yay! Good job! Okay? I'm just cutting your nails. There you go. Come here. There you go. Yeah. Ang dami na ilsa. Come on. Come here. Yay! Come on, eat that. Yay! Good job, Elsa! Yay! You scared? I'm only scared much. I'll show you. Okay. So scared. Elsa's scared of guys. Go, there you go. Yay! Insa. Oh, good girl. Yeah. Sweet little girl. Sweet little girl. Come on, Elsa. Good girl. Yeah, good job. Yeah. Good girl. Yay. Please don't move. Sa oy. Please don't move now, please. I wanna cut your nail. Yeah. I'm just cutting your nail. Okay? Yes, good girl. See? Good girl. Good job. Yay! So, igaganito ko na lang guys kasi para hindi siya matakot pa masyado. Here's your next buddy. Oh, tapos na si Elsa. Yan yung niya. Ang mahirap anuhin si Otis. Ayan. This is your nails. Look at that. Okay, Elsa. Diyan ka ha? What is here? Sit! Okay. me? Cut your nail. Ay, naku, si Otis. Don't move. There. Sit. Okay. Let me cut your nail, okay? Not tapo this po. Okay? Don't move. Boy. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Ayan guys, ang hirap. Tapos na guys. May kaunti pa naman natira na na treats. Ayan. Ayan. Okay ako kay Elsa kasi si Elsa okay siya sa grinder. Anyways guys, ayan. Yun lang for today's vlog guys kasi mag-i-edit ako ng video at saka sana ma-upload ko siya tonight. So ayan guys, I hope to see you on my next vlog. So thank you sa mga nag-subscribe kahit kaunti si Elsa. Humawak sa gilid ko. Yeah, I'm gonna hug her a lot because she's very, very soft. Goodbye tayo. Say goodbye and see you on the next vlog. Goodbye. See you on the next vlog. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And bye. Thank you. Take care. God bless everyone.